I am Muhyiddin Ahmed. I'm a retired clinical psychologist. Even though I'm nearing my ninth decade of life, I'm very active in mental health publications and blogging and in public media posting various thoughts and reflections. I'm going to be presenting here a series of thoughts and reflections based on my personal perspectives and hopefully some of which or many of which hopefully will resonate with you. Please feel free to pass on and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for visiting. Bye. I thought I'd start this series of my reflections and thoughts on existential life issues on a video on grief that honors the death of our only child at age of 54 from a bout of cancer recently. The experience of death in terms of losing someone that you loved or someone you know or someone around you that you've come across or heard of is a common universal experience for all of us, all living beings. And we all deal with, as human beings, with some beliefs and practices and thoughts. Many of us follow religious and spiritual collective practices. Some follow their own individual thoughts based on observations, on science-based reading, integrating with their cultural and religious history or practices. Whatever they may be, there are diverse ways of dealing with this uncertainty of our life experience and certainty of death. So I thought this will resonate with many of you, and I have drawn references from various religious texts as well as from poets and philosophers and scientists, and integrated in my own way what makes sense. And hopefully this will resonate with you too. Feel free to share or pass on. Thank you. Bye. From my popular science readings, as I understand, our physical bodies at microelectrical levels are eternally connected as vibrating entanglement process across space and time. As our bodies exist as dynamic processes, the particles within us are in constant motion, interacting and communicating through various electrical signals. Quantum entanglement, a scientific insight. Quantum physics theorizes that entanglement of subatomic particles, once connected, remain linked across time and space, independent of any degree of separation. Einstein talked this process as a possibility as spooky action at a distance. Recently, two physicists won a Nobel Prize for their work providing evidence for entanglement of subatomic particles separated across time and space in support of this. So quantum physics in a way affirms that mystics have long sensed our bonds once formed do not end with physical separation even after death. While standing beside my son's grave, memories are flooding in. I feel my body vibrate with his presence, perhaps as quantum entanglement suggests, still linked at the microelectrical levels of existence. just as entangled particles reflect each other's state instantly across distance, deep emotional and spiritual bonds may endure beyond our physical separation. A letter across time. Though I could not attend my son's wake due to hospitalization, the eulogy sent by my daughter-in-law became a healing gift, an echo of his spirit through her voice. As I wrote her, I was deeply moved by the eulogy you delivered at my son's wake. Though I was absent due to illness, your words became a healing bridge. This vibrating process with our loved ones are subjectively felt, perhaps with more intensity as we visit graves or remember our loved ones with whom we have shared lived experiences and interactions in life together. Love, shared experiences, and presence form invisible threads, vibrations etched in memory and spirit that may be quantum echoes of eternal connection. This is the first part of my presentation on this series on grief video project. Stay connected for the next installment of grief posting series. You may see the full write-up of this as well as my other thoughts and writings on existential issues in my web posting under https existentialperspectives.com. One word, existentialperspective.com. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Hope for watching. Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.